All right, this question number one from the quiz. The goal here is just to simplify. Should have wrote the direction on here, but this one just is a simplify question. So all we're going to do is factor and cancel. So the bottom, nothing to factor there. Kind of boring, but the top part can factor into two little binomials. So p and p will give us p squared, and then I have to multiply to negative 32 and add up to negative 4. So that means we're going to need one negative and one positive if it multiplies to negative 32, and the negative one's going to need to be bigger. Right, so I think the ones, you can make a big list here, but I think 8 and 4 will work if you use negative 8 and positive 4. And that's not surprising because now we have matching p minus 4s, sorry, p plus 4s. So those cancel out, and we're just left with p minus 8. And our denominator would just be 1. Right, so oftentimes I don't write the denominator part there, so this one just p minus 8. Okay, hopefully that helps.